In a somber announcement, the Israel Defense Forces reported the recovery of the bodies of 3 hostages from the northern Gaza Strip during an overnight operation. The recovered individuals are Orion Hernandez Redux, 30, Hanan Yablonka, 42, and Michelle Nissenbaum, 59. All 3 were killed on October 7, as revealed by new reliable intelligence discovered amid ongoing conflict. Until recently, their status was unknown and they were believed to be alive. The hostages were kidnapped from the Mefalsim area, the same location where Hamas terrorists had previously murdered and abducted 4 other hostages. Hernandez Redux, a Mexican-French national, was the boyfriend of Shani Luke, one of the 4 hostages whose bodies were found last week. Alongside Yablonka and Luke, Hernandez Redux was at the Supernova Music Festival near Rem when the attack occurred. Nissenbaum from Sderot was killed while driving to the Gaza Division's base near Rem to collect his granddaughter. The bodies were identified at the Abu Kabir Forensic Institute and family members were notified by military representatives. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu extended his condolences to the families of the victims, emphasizing Israel's commitment to returning hostages, both living and deceased. He praised the IDF and security forces for their courageous operation in hostile territory, stating, "We have a national and moral duty to do everything we can to return our hostages, the living and the deceased, and that is what we are doing." Netanyahu further expressed gratitude for the bravery and dedication of the IDF and security forces, acknowledging their efforts to bring the hostages back for a proper burial in Israel. The country is also expecting a ruling Friday afternoon by the International Court of Justice to decide on an urgent plea by South Africa to order Israel to cease operations. Israel is unlikely to comply with any such order. Even so, a ceasefire order by judges of the International Court of Justice would heap more pressure on an increasingly isolated Israel. On the hostages, Israelis are divided into 2 main camps: those who want the government to put the war on hold and free the hostages, and others who think the hostages are an unfortunate price to pay for eradicating Hamas. On and off, negotiations mediated by Qatar, the United States, and Egypt have yielded little.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.